In this video, we are going to walk you through how to buy and redeem a Sam's Club gift card, both in store and online, so stay tuned. Alright, so here's how to buy a Sam's Club gift card. Firstly, go to your nearest Sam's Club store or visit the Sam's Club website at samsclub.com. Then, if you're in store, find the gift card display near the checkout or in the gift card section. And if you're online, simply search for the gift card in the search bar. After that, you then have to choose an amount. So, pick a preset value or enter a custom amount if available. Next, you have to complete your purchase. So if you're in store, pay for the gift card at the checkout. And if you're online, add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Then, simply enter your payment information to complete the purchase. And after all that, you would have successfully bought a gift card. And next, here's how to redeem it. So if you're in store, take the physical or digital gift card to any Sam's Club location, then present the card to the cashier at checkout, either by scanning the physical card or showing the barcode on your mobile device. Then, if you're online, go to samsclub.com and shop for the items you want to purchase. Then at checkout, select gift card as your payment method. Then simply enter the gift card number and PIN found on the back of the card or in your email if the card is digital. Then lastly, confirm the amount applied and complete the purchase. And that's it. So, thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.